We at Factory Polo and CJ Clothiers would like to say thank you to all our customers for your support over the past few years. With that being said, we value our community and would like to give back. If you are looking for a job or have a job interview, we would like to help you with your journey by giving you a white dress shirt, your choice of an open collar or button-down shirt, along with a tie. When it comes to the interview, arrive early, maintain eye contact, and be self-confident. Oh, and by the way, congratulations on your new job. Supplies are limited, first come, first served basis. Please send us a text or an email along with your size. This is a limited time offer, which includes free shipping within the United States, compliments of Factory Polo and CJ Clothiers. Please see description below for all the details.